Hello students, my name is Hemanto and I will teach you today the structure of an atom. Okay, so what is atom? Atom is the smallest part of a matter. If we take a iron rod, then we see the microscopic view of an iron rod, then we see that there is some molecule of iron, and the molecule of the iron is formed by the atom of iron. Okay. So atom is the smallest part of an matter. The matter can be inorganic, organic, or anything. Okay. The atom is the we can say that the atom is the building block of chemistry. Okay. We can solve any kind of problem like making of salt, making of any compound, okay, by this atom or atomic structure. Okay. An atom is electrically neutral. What is electrically neutral? The net charge of the atom is zero. Okay. The atom is not a positive charged or a not a negative charged particle. It's a electrically neutral particle. Okay. Now we move to the size of an atom. Here you see the diagram of atom, that there is two portion. Okay, and one is core, which is shaded, called nucleus, and the outer portion I mentioned that electron cloud. Okay, now first we consider that the most of the see that there is huge amount of space, but the space is totally empty. Okay, and most of the part is empty. Okay, there is two part of the atom. I mentioned that one part is nucleus. Okay, see, core part, which is electrically positive. Previously I said that electrically neutral is atom is electrically neutral, but here I say that core part, which is electrically positive. Okay, later I will explain that why I tell that why I tell that the electrically positive part is nucleus. Okay, now the second part is nucleus is surrounded cloud by a cloud of negatively charged electron. Okay, note down that the core mean the nucleus is positive charged and the electron is negative charged. Okay, now what is the radius of an atom is? The atom radius is approximately, it can 2 to 10 Armstrong. Okay, and what is Armstrong? Armstrong is the unit of length, and the 1 Armstrong means 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, now we move to the nucleus. Here I will explain why I call the electrically positive core. Okay, nucleus is dense part of, now we move to the nucleus. Okay, nucleus is the dense part of an atom. Okay, why it is dense part? Because total mass of an atom is equals to the mass of the neutron nucleus. Okay, it means that the total mass of an atom is, if we take one atom and the mass, we can measure the mass of the atom, we see that the total mass of the atom is equals to the total mass of the nucleus of that atom. Okay, nucleus is electrically positive charged. I mentioned that previously and I here mention that also. Okay, why I tell that nucleus is electrically positive. Okay, nucleus is electrically positive because there is two part or we can say that nucleus is formed by two subatomic particle. One is proton, which is positively charged, and one is neutron, which is electrically neutral. So neutral and positive charge make nucleus positive. Okay, electrically positive. Okay, now we move to the proton. Proton is the electrically positive charged particle, subatomic particle or particle. Okay. What is the charge of proton? Charge of proton is 1.62 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, and the mass of proton is 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay. Now we move to the neutron. What is neutron? Neutron is the electrically neutral subatomic particle. Okay. And mass of neutron is 1.6749 10 to the minus 27 kg, which is the heaviest subatomic particle, and the charge of a neutron is 0. Okay. Now we move to the electron cloud. The outer portion of an atom. Basically, electron cloud is the number of electron which is move around the nucleus. Okay. Electron is the lightest particle, and in nature, what is its weight or mass? Mass of electron is 9.109 10 to the minus 31 kg, which is the lightest particle in nature. Okay. Electron is electrically negative charged subatomic particle, whose charge is same as proton, but it is negative charged and proton is positive charged. What is the value of electron charge of electron? 1.620. Oh, sorry. Charge of electron is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay.